Hello guys, I'm in like loaded place right now and I feel so peaceful here because of the snow. It feels very nice and just sunny as well. So I will show you some solutions that I have found for a technical problem. I think it will help you. So check the video, and if it helps you, just subscribe to my channel. See you. Bye. The video help you? I hope it did, and if it did really, please consider subscribing my channel. I would appreciate your support in this lovely weather. See you later again. Bye.